Oh dear students, today we are going to study lesson 14. So this class, first we have to write class third C. Class third C. Subject GSC and date 8 13 10 20 20. So we are studying lesson 14. Lesson 14, changing weather. Changing weather. We are studying this lesson, changing weather. And in this lesson, page number 75. Changing weather. We have studied about the pre-reading questions. What makes the weather? We have also studied. So, and also read about the clouds, rain, and weather keeps changing. So today we are going to study about the seasons. Seasons. Season is a period which lasts for a few months, as rainy season, winter season, summer season. So in relation to India, I am telling you. So a season is the period of few months during which the weather remains almost the same for many days. There are mainly 5 seasons: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. These are the 5 seasons. Number 1 is summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. So seasons and clothes. We wear the clothes according to the season. Different seasons have the different type of the clothes. In the summer season, we wear the other type of the clothes, and the winter season we wear the other type of clothes. In rainy season we use the raincoat, etc. So seasons and clothes. Seasons and clothes. Seasons and clothes. We wear the clothes according to the seasons. We dress according to the season. We dress according to the seasons. During summer, we wear light cotton clothes and want to sit under the fan. We sweat a lot and feel very thirsty. In the rainy season, we feel hot. In the rainy season, we feel hot and sticky and sweat a lot. We wear a raincoat when go out in rains. We also wear gumboots and use an umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. On cold windy days, we wear heavy woolen clothes. We like to be out in the sun. It is not safe to travel in stormy or foggy weather. When the weather is bad, we like to stay and work indoors. So our life affected or by the weather. Weather affects life. Weather affects life. Weather influences our day-to-day life a lot. It interferes with almost every activity. If that is the rain, we cannot play in the rain. If there is the very much hot, we cannot go for the play. So weather affects our life. So weather influences our day-to-day life a lot. It interferes with almost every activity. It can endanger safety and brings in discomfort. It can stand in the way of fun and entertainment. It may become terrible or pleasant. Let us see how it affects our day-to-day life. Let us see how it affects our day-to-day life. First, weather and safety. Weather and safety. Stormy and foggy weather are always risky. Storms uproot trees. You have experienced about the thunder or the storms. It can uproot the trees. Stormy and foggy weather are always risky. Storms uproot trees, can even blow up the roofs of some houses and often cause heavy loss of life and property. Storms also destroy crops and thus create several problems and risks for living. Foggy weather often leads to road accidents Because visibility is very less in the foggy weather. So foggy weather often leads to road accidents, train accidents and air crashes also. Visibility becomes quite low when there is dense fog. Floods to disrupt all activities. Thus, weather affects safety of life. Now, weather and comfort. Weather and comfort. Wet or inclement weather affects comfort. It stands in the way of outdoor work and open air games. People have to stay indoors. It hits the work of washermen, though farmers welcome it. Though farmers welcome it. Travel and transport to become very difficult in wet weather. Now, pleasant weather. Pleasant weather helps almost all activities of our life. It is good for travel, sports, picnics, and all other works. Works, studies, games, and entertainment can be enjoyed in good weather. Everything, in fact, goes on nicely in a pleasant weather. Besides, our food, drinks, clothes, and several other activities are affected by weather. Sudden changes in weather to affects our life a lot. Thanks for today.